My country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, today's international and national news is brought to you by Santosh from Grade 8 Topaz. International news: North Korea access of double standard for letting South Korea launch. National news: Lok Sabha passes advocated bill to weed out force from court complex. Thank you. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Charan Kumar from Grade 8 Topaz. State news: Congress lakes over Telangana from Bharat Rashtra Samiti. Sports news: Bangladesh coach warns against complacency of second New Zealand test. Thank you. Have a nice day. Weather report is brought to you by Ketan of Grade 8 Topaz. Weather report: minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Humidity 81%. Wind 11 km per hour. Thank you.
It is brought to you by Saitej of Grade 8 Topaz. Start. A goal is a dream with deadline. I repeat it again. A goal is a dream with deadline. Thank you. Today what is brought to you by Narasimha Prasad of Grade 8 Topaz. Word. Dream. It means series of the image. I'll repeat again. Dream. It means series of the image. Friends, please spell after me. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. Thank you.
Today's facts is brought to you by K. Vishnu of Grade 8 Topaz. Facts. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue outside. Fact number 2. Some lipsticks contains fish scales. Fact number 3. Wearing headphones for just an hour could increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Fact number 4. A shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. Thank you. Have a good day.
G question is brought to you by Arkham from Grade 8 Topaz. Question for grade 6. 1024 kilobytes is equal to, I repeat again, 1024 kilobytes is equal to. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is 1 megabyte. Question for grade 7. How many cricket World Cups does India have? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Gir National Park is in Gujarat is famous for. I repeat again. Gir National Park is in Gujarat is famous for. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is lion. Let us appreciate them. Grade 9. Which animal has a hump on its back? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is camel. Open question for all. Highest dam of India is? I repeat again. Highest dam of India is? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Terry Dam. Thank you.
Today something about our national sport. Hockey is brought to you by Vanilla of Grade 9 Jasper. Hockey is a kind of invasion game that is played by two teams of 11 players. Each team's goal is to push a small and heavy hockey ball into their opposition's goal. At the beginning of the game of hockey, after a coin toss to decide which team starts with the ball, the players pass from the line at the center of the court. Hockey is a game of two halves that 35 minutes each. The winner of the match is the team with the most goals by the end of the second half. Basic hockey rules. Players can only hit the ball with the flat side of their stick. Hockey players other than the goalkeeper are not allowed to use their feet or any other parts of the body to control the ball at any time. You can only score a goal from inside the striking circle in front of the opponent's goal. If the hockey ball is hit from the outside the circle and goes into the goal, it doesn't count. Hockey is a non-contact sport. This means that players are not allowed to push, trip, or physically touch an opponent. If this happens, the opposing team may be given a free hit or a penalty corner. Thank you.
Today International National News is brought to you by from Grade 1 Forum. International News. Yes, moving to International India coming to AI to combat it's 121 and cameras. Thank you. Next, my name is report is brought to you by Vaishnavi from grade 1 Coral. Weather report. Minimum temperature 31 degrees, maximum temperature 35 degrees, mostly cloudy next month and will continue hot. Today, thought is brought to you by Vaishnavi from grade 1 Coral. Thought. Today, needed to cover activities that will continue. Everyone, today I am practicing Taylor from grade 1 Coral. Anandita, Samara, you cannot walk backward. Thank you. Next, my can continue. But what is brought to you by today from grade 1 Coral. Vegan is a person movie. Friends, well, after me. Adi. Edi. Adi. Edi. Happy morning, everyone. Today's GK section brought to you by VIII from grade 1 Coral. Question for grade 1. What is the sensitive organ in our body? Eyes. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is identical. Question for grade 2. Which body part we used to hear? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is yes. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. What is the full form of RBI? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Reserve Bank of India. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. How many components are in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 7. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. Who discovered zero? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Aryabhatta. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Today, magic words is brought to you by Abhinava from grade 1 Coral. Magic words. Excuse me. Please spell after me. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Please. WEL. Zero.